right. So you're noticing that I've got 5 in the first measure, 8 in the second measure, and 5 in the third measure circled. Okay? The reason is because this song goes crazy fast. If you're sliding all over the place, it's going to get these extra sounds that you actually don't want in this particular song. We want clean individual notes. All right. So when you're sliding between that 1 and 3, it's cool. You can slide, no biggie. But to get that 5th fret, I want your 3rd finger being used for that. Once again, you should not be dropping your middle finger like that. That's just so that you can see exactly what I'm doing there. When I'm playing, I always have all of my fingers ready. All right. Now, when I get to that, the next measure where I've got the 1, 1, that 8, you guys know where to find your 5th fret, you know where to find your 7th fret, and that means your 8th fret is just immediately after the 7th fret. That way you don't have to count. And then that distance between the 8 and the 5 is a perfect distance for you to just go 3rd finger, 1st finger. So once again, we're not going to start at the very beginning. We are going to play this, this 8 to 5 first. 8 with the 3rd finger, 5 with the 1st finger. Try that, I don't know, 5 or 6 times in a row. Make sure those are sounding really clean for you. You can actually hold your 5th fret the entire time with your finger, with your 1st finger if you want. Okay, that's looking good. Then you're going to come back to the 1, 1, 1, 3, 5. And that's another spot where you're going to use that 3rd finger. And then the end. 1, 1, 1, open 1. That open string is just enough time to get your pointer finger, your 1st finger, from the A to the E. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 1, 1, 3, 5. 1, 1, 1, 8, 5. 1, 1, 1, 3, 5. 1, 1, 1, open again, go. 1, 1, 1, 3, 5. One more time, go. Awesome. Cool. There is one little technique that is just kind of something that some of us do. Not everybody does this, but it's just a quick little thing I want to show you. You may or may not have noticed me doing it. Oh, hello, there's my entire hand. I'm going to stop the share for just, actually, no, I'm not. If you can see my ook, between measures, I'm muting all of my strings with kind of the palm of my right hand, my strumming hand, because I don't want that A and all those other notes singing out, especially in a song like this where it moves so fast and they're just like ba-da-da-bum-bum, ba-da-da-bum-bum. There's like that break, that rest, that moment of silence between those measures. And so I tend to just mute it with the palm of my hand.